Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding and most attractive collection of crochet women outfit ideas, different color designs and ideas in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection. Crochet is always beautiful and always trendy, so I suggest you to watch this video till then for more designs and more ideas. Dear friends, if you want to buy this very stylish collection, then you contact me on my number and on my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. Dear friends, in this video you can see different style, different ideas, women outfit ideas, women blouse, women top, women skirts, women poncho designs, cap shawl, caplet, scarf, and others. So dear friends, you can visit my channel and you can see the different style and ideas. You can see baby frock designs, baby cap designs, baby shoes designs like baby slippers, sandal, boots, women footwear collection, also women shoes, women boots, slipper also. So dear friends, in women jewelry, necklace designs, earring designs, finger ring, bracelet, and feet jewelry, anklet designs also, and other things also. So dear friends, you can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. Dear friends, always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you. So don't forget to like my videos. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends, relatives, and also gives your feedback in the hammer section about the collection. How was the video? How was the design? So dear friends, please keep visiting my channel for more designs, more ideas about this collection. So dear friends, now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection and please remember me in your prayers. Then bye.